Hey guys, it's very crazy, but we got the call from Paris, and since I am very well into my third trimester, I cannot travel anywhere at the moment. But after a very long thought process, Hubby decided to go. Crazy decision and pick up our bag. So he's gonna literally have a day in Paris, and he's gonna try and document his journey apparently. So I decided to do a little intro for him. Okay, we're going in now.
Hey guys, this is what Sydney Airport looks like, as you guys know it. Looks nice. These are all the shops. And I'm about to fly to Paris through Dubai. Just landed in Dubai Airport after a 14-hour flight. These are only available in the Middle East and UK. And this is the design just for Dubai. And this is the Premium Plaza lounge. It's got a bar, and then it's got the buffet. This is the a la carte menu. You can only order this after 12 p.m. Before that it's buffet. And just going on the Paris flight. Just arrived at Paris Airport. First time wearing the Rolex, and we just took the taxi to go to the hotel in Paris. And just got into Paris City. So I'm at the hotel in Paris City. I accidentally went to this hotel, but it was so nice. I accidentally went in there to check in, but it's actually this one where the taxi were there. A lot of people there. They were really nice too. They just didn't have a room at the moment, so I'll come back at 3 p.m. And you can see the Eiffel Tower. This is the queue to go into Café de Flore. This is a bit too many people, so probably won't go here today. I'll go Le Parc Poisson or whatever it is around the corner. I'll come back here with Isabelle. This is my brunch for today. I drank the fresh squeezed orange juice, and this is the scrambled eggs with avo and bacon. It says French bacon and tomatoes. Inside the Hermès Special store. This is and you've got the beautiful paintings. I think it's Paris. Hermès store, they sell books. Lots of books. And these are fine jewelry. I'm at Polène, but there's a lot of people waiting outside. This is chalk white. This is the camel. It's nice and cute. And look what I got. I got myself a cocoa milk tea in Paris. Cocoa with oat milk. And I I went into Deep Teak to grab a couple of Paris candles for my wife and for a couple of my friends. And I am on my way to pick up the bag from Hermes. Quite excited, but a bit sad that my wife can't be here with me to experience this. But I'll try to record it as best as I can. Burberry there, and then you got that Chanel and Dior. That Chanel is not the main one. The main Chanel store is over there. Oh my god, I see the Hermes Faubourg store. It's coming to a realization now that we're picking up the bag. Can't wait. Oh my god, it's so close now. I wish my wife was here. Then it would have been such a better experience. But we'll see soon inside. And these are the wallets. Apple watches. I don't know what these bags are, but they look pretty cool. Rouge H box leather, 9,250. This looks like a lunchbox. And this is the men's. That's a massive Birkin. I forgot to take the shoe department, or the ladies' shoe department. So I will find it and I'll take it for you guys. Maybe new collection here too. This is the equestrian, but the funny thing is, there's a John Mob in there. This is a cool beach bag. So, just waiting for the bag. The sales associate has gone to collect it, and I'm sitting right next to the desk where we actually filled out the form for the special order. I'll keep you posted. Oh my god, I see the sales associate bringing the bag, coming up the stairs now. Oh my god. I'm so sad that my wife couldn't be here. Yeah. Oh wow.
With the gold hardware.
Mm-hmm.
And did you change the color inside, by the way? There you go.
Oh, merci.
Faisons après aussi. Nice. Very nice.
Well, I think that was a very good choice for her.
Absolutely, yes. I hope
She really wanted this for so long.
And more special, this detail.
Yes. Perfect.
Nice.
came out of the Hermès store, going to go to this restaurant, La Florentine. Apparently it's really nice. Let's try it. This is the lasagna with vegetables. Still see that it's sizzling a bit. And some bread. And I'm eating with a bag. Oh, the beer is Kronenberg, 1664. They said it was French beer. Golden ale. Hi guys, just finished dinner. But I would love to show you what was in these stores. But no time. So just heading to a touristy spot. The Louvre, the museum. I'll show you guys in a minute. LV is advertising. And the Louvre. Such beautiful buildings. This is just a wall near the Louvre. The Musée du Louvre restoring the Arc de Triomphe du Castle. Really interesting. Wow, look at this. It's a very romantic place. So many people over there. And if I go this way, there's the jardin. And you can just see the Alpha Tower there. It's very pretty.